So good evening to everyone. Welcome back to pantechelearning. So today we are going with the fourth application based on artificial intelligence, and you can get a much more information today also. So these all are real-time based. So we are going with the real-time applications. Hope you will understand this one. So please check with my voice first. So good evening to everyone. Please check with my voice. Good evening to everyone. So please check with my voice. So please check with my voice whether I am audible or not. So today we are going with the fourth application based on virtual trial room. So welcome back to pantechelearning. So it's a big platform to learn much more technologies, not only for the students who are searching for the research and development. So it will helpful for all people. So thanks for attending this one. So we can without doing any delay, so we can start our session based on virtual trial room. So today you will get a much more enjoyment. So based on remaining applications. So now why means we are going with the application based on virtual trial room. Okay. So welcome back to pantechelearning once again. So here we already discussed up to three applications. What we have already done with the AI based. So we are going with the new application as virtual trial room. So that is only the part today. So this is about 6 week technical marathon. So based on artificial intelligence. So daily we have a 5 to 6 p.m. So we have a class this one. And if you need any help regarding for this, so you can contact pantechelearning. So we have a number. So just contact that one. And so this is the last day for artificial intelligence technical marathon. So the first week completed. Will complete for today. So the next marathon will start based on another applications. So we'll understand this one each and everything. So now we are moving with the first application today. So virtual trial room based on artificial intelligence. Okay, so then how we will use the virtual trial room, then what is the applications, so each and everything we will discuss here. Okay, so that is only the main part here. So you have to discuss each and everything here. So that is the main very important thing here. So we are discussing that only. So the first thing is, what is the use of the virtual trial room? Nowadays you are seeing like what is that for wedding purpose or for dressing trial purpose, and you can see for some you can see for some jewelry they're using this virtual trial room only. That is very important thing, and it's a very simple process, and we are going with this application today. So that's why we have to know what is a virtual trial room and why we are using this virtual trial room. So then you can easily understand what is what. Okay. So after that we can go which type of so which type of packages we are using for this and what are the requirements for the virtual trial room, we can discuss each and everything. So first you want to know what is a virtual trial room. Okay, so virtual trial room is nothing but, so when you are taking a dresses or anything, not only for the dresses, for example purpose I given here one picture, you can see this picture, you can easily understand what is a virtual. Okay, so virtual is nothing but, so we are unable to do the things with our own. Okay, so at the time then what you will do, so you can do the virtual process, you can see. So you don't know exactly whether that color is suits to you or not if you are buying a dresses. Okay, then what you will do, so you can go with the virtual trial room process and you can design a simple way, and you can, if you are okay with the dress, you can buy directly from online. Okay, or from offline also. If you want to go with the offline, we just assign the offline process also. Okay, so the main part of the virtual trial room is, so you can see the definition here. So if you want to go with the what is that dressing based, if you want to go with the virtual trial room for the dressing purpose, you have to know what is the size, what is the style, and how you need the style and size, shape, color, each and everything for your dress you have to check. Okay, so in virtually, okay, in a we are going with the virtually process. So for dressing rooms and for wedding purpose and for jewelry purpose, we are moving. Why you want to go with this like a virtual room, I will tell you. So what is the importance nowadays? Okay, so nowadays you can see we are getting some problems, right? So maybe some problems with the trial rooms, normal trial rooms. Okay, so you are getting some problems each and everything, and you have to, for example, if you are going to a certain malls, okay, for example like Big Bazaar or Trends, you are going to that mall, but so it's very busy, okay, at the time. Okay, when you're going to the mall, so the trial rooms are very busy, then what you will do, so you have to wait for some time. Okay, but if you are going with this virtual trial room, um, it's a very simple process and it will resolve the problems. It will save the time exactly. So what I'm telling means, so here we can save the time. Okay, when you are going to the trends or any malls, so sometimes we can get the problems. Okay, so you have to wait so much more time if many people are there means, you can see at festival times, so lot of people are or trying the dresses. Okay, they have to buy more and they have to try much more dresses, then what they will do, so they will take much more time. Okay, so but you don't have the time sometimes, so then what you will do, if you are going with the virtual app based, virtual trial room app based for our dressing purpose, you can see the second picture here. Okay, so if you are taking the virtual trial process, and what you need exactly, you just select the color and you can try, so with your picture in your mobile, and you can get a clarity, yeah, this color is good for me. Okay, I can buy this dress, I can go directly to the trends and I can directly buy the dress because this dress is very nice for me, like that you can think and you can go and you can buy that particular dress. Okay, so that is only the important thing. The main thing is here also we are saving the time, and nowadays you can see the main advantage is what means. So nowadays the main thing is COVID-19. Okay, all people are getting with the COVID-19, they're affecting the COVID-19. So then what you will do, you can avoid those accidents like a COVID-19 process, so by virtual trial room. Okay, if you are trying yourself in your like a mobile, okay, then what will happen, so then you can uh, save your life because you're not going outside, you're not searching something in outside, and you're not trying a much more dresses in outside. Okay, if you're not moving with all people. Okay, you're in a room only, you're trying with your app in your mobile. Okay, by using the flask we can design a app for this. Okay, so then you can try different colors by using that virtual trial room. Okay, so then it's a very simple process and no need to worry about the dresses colors and no need to worry about the COVID-19 situation. So we have a lot of advantages. Okay, so we can reduce these problems by using this virtual trial room. So that's why we are moving with the virtual trial room. Okay, so this is the importance of the thing. And now we can go with the working method. So what is the working method for this? We can discuss each and everything. Okay. So working method is nothing but, so now I'm telling, so we can take what is that virtual trial room. So why you are taking this virtual trial room? So because you are getting some problems nowadays because of COVID-19, something you are getting problems. Okay. So you have to avoid those problems by using a virtual trial room. So the working procedure is nothing but how you are taking your input process and what are the problems you are facing and how you are recovering reducing your problems, overcoming your problems by using this virtual trial room, and how, which type of output you are getting, whether you are satisfying or not with that output. Okay, so that is only the working method. So that working method, now you can see the first thing is you have to take virtual fitting process to this. So you have to import some packages for this. Okay, so actually the main thing is when you are moving with this one, you have to import some packages. Okay, so in working method, when you're trying this process in your laptops, so or in your mobiles, anything. Okay, so you have to design first one app. Okay, so you have to design for an app, and next one is for designing purpose, which type of color you need and size you need, shape you need, and where you are trying this app. So you have to know about that one. And next one is which type of packages you need for this purpose. So whether I need Python language or whether I need C language or I need any Flask or Django, or if you are going with the JavaScript fully script things, so whether I want to use any web application based applications, you have to know each and everything what is what. Okay, so here in working method, first you want to take packages. So which type of packages you need, and next one is, so what is the input video you're taking. Okay, so from live video you can take, or if you have already the stored video, from that also you can try. Okay, so sometimes you can say you are not available to give a what is it virtual process also, you are somewhere. Okay, so at the time you are busy with the works. Okay, so you are very far to the what is it stop mall. Okay, you want to go directly, but and again but you're busy with some other works. Then what you will do, you already recorded one video and you can send that video to the particular person. So he will fit the dresses and he will send the pictures directly to you. So you, when you are free, you can check with that pictures. Yeah, it's good for me, I can take this dress, like that you can think. Okay, so that purpose you can take a stored video or a live video. And the next one is packages, and after that you have to move one after another. So I have to take in what is that so if I want to apply these many things, then what I will do, take, so we have a pre-process step and we have to apply some XML files, and we have some detection of the files for this. So this is a working method, one after another you have to move. Okay, so finally, so after completing all those things, after satisfying all requirements, you can start your processor. Okay, so it will start the processor, it will take the input video and it will go with the pre-process step and it will find out the persons. After finding the persons, when you're running the program, so it will feed the dress to the person, and finally he will get a good address. So he will get a address from the virtual process. Okay, so this is about the working method. Okay, and next one is, so we have lot of applications regarding for the virtual trial room. Okay, so we are going with the virtual trial room applications. So what are the applications? Have lot of applications. So the main applications I can tell you here for you, for your purpose. So what are the applications, why we are using that applications? So I can tell you each and everything here. Okay, the main thing is you should know what is what. The first thing is I'm telling here the virtual train, a virtual trial. Okay, so now I'm telling here the virtual trial for trial on lockdown. Okay, so the main thing is here, the one of the best application is you have to do something like a, so actually you have some functions. Okay, whether that may be a marriage function or birthday function, so you have to buy some clothes for you. Okay, you have to buy some dresses for you, and for your brother purpose, your sister purpose, and your mother father purpose, you have to buy some dresses. Then what you will do there, so what you want to do there first, So you have to take the particular person features, okay, a video or images or anything you can take, and you can try the thing in a virtual trial room. Okay, then how you will take the for example purpose, I'm taking this picture. You can see the first picture here. Wait a minute. So you can see the first picture here, okay? So what is the use of this picture? So here you can see the picture. So I'm taking one a frame. In that, I'm just taking a different type of dresses I have. Okay. So I can try those dresses in a virtual frame. Okay. So what is a like a particular size of the like my height. Okay. So width. So based on the size, color, each and everything I can check here. So like that, in nowadays, you won't go outside. So directly you can select your size and you can try this virtual trial room, and you can get. So you're telling your resound. Now is it okay for you? I think it's okay fine. Or now. So just check with your voice. So now you can see, I'm just going with this application, right? So I'm using this virtual trial room because COVID-19 I won't go outside, okay? I'm very afraid of that, okay? So I won't go outside because I'm seeing a lot of people beside of my home only. So I'm getting fear, okay? I won't go outside. Then what you will do? Just download the any virtual trial room apps, and you can select your dresses and how you need. Just select your dresses. You can go with the colors, different colors, and uh, you can buy the dresses from online, or you can go directly to the mall, and you can buy the dresses directly. Okay, no need to go with the trying process. Directly you can go and you can try, can buy the dresses. So this is about the virtual trial room, and the next one is at the time of long distance. Okay, so we can use this one uh, when you're very long distance. Okay, so for example you can see you bought some clothes, okay, and you given in your hometown, but you're not in your hometown, okay, but you need the dress is very nice. So then what you will do, so when you are in a different area, but in that area, so no one is good to set your dress properly, okay, but in your hometown you know very well about all people, and they will stitch for you very good, nice, okay. Then what you will do, so you're not there at the time, okay, so they have to know some like a particular format how you need, okay. So example you don't know the process, but you need a dress from that clothes, okay, some materials, and how they will design for you, okay. Then what you will do, just contact with the persons like virtually, and so when you're seeing the person, and it will they will take the snaps and they will send the snaps to you, and you can try the snaps in your mobile, and you can say, yeah, this is suits for me, so this size is suits for me, and what is that this uh, design is in suiting for me very well, like that you can tell, and they can uh, stretch the dress, and they will give a dress, and they will courier the dress after some, okay. So that type of the applications also you can use this uh, virtual trial room, okay. So next one is, we are going with the next application is virtual trial room on online, okay. The main thing is, you can see we have some online what is that apps out there, right? So we have a option of like in Flipkart is there, and something in Amazon is there, and something like we have a different Shopee options are there, right? But actually they are not providing a virtual trial room, so they are providing only the dresses, and they will show the dresses to you and how it's look like that. If they are adding much more features like this, if they're adding much more features like this directly, when you're taking your snap, and you can upload the snap, and you can try that a particular dress to you, and you can buy from the online, okay. So for online shopping purpose also you can use this one, okay. How you will use virtual one in online means, for example, you like very much one dress, okay? So you have to buy that one, but you're not understanding whether that is work out to you or not. Okay, then what you will do? So we can go with the virtual trial room process. Okay. Um, yeah, some people are telling some echo. So please check with my voice once now. So now you can see, so we are going with the virtual trial room, okay? The main part is, so I'm going with the virtual trial room here. So here you can see, so I'm selecting the particular dress. So I'm selecting here a particular dress, and so after selecting this dress, so I'm giving my picture, okay? And I can get whether that is suits for me or not, okay? So that purpose I'm giving to here. So next one is virtual trial for jewelry purpose. Okay, so you can see like you have some function. Okay, you have marriage function. You have to attend your sister marriage function. Just check with your voice once. Now you can check with my. You have to attend. How to attend marriage function. Okay, so then what you will do? So you have to attend the marriage function. So suddenly you have to move, but so in some areas, okay, some areas, so they're not giving a what is it jewelry for you, okay? Whether that may be bangles or chains, anything, they're not giving a jewelry to you directly. Because if they're using that thing means maybe sometimes after some time not good, okay? So to show all people, that's why they think like this: a virtual jewelry, a virtual trial for the jewelry. So what they are doing here, you can see the picture. So they are showing some pictures for you, okay? If you are selecting the bangles, they will give us bangles, or if you are selecting the design of chains, okay, they will show all chains in front of the camera. They will say, they will ask to see you. After that, so they will it will automatically find your try, it will automatically set your neck, okay? It will automatically set your neck. So then you can see so whether it is working or not, okay? So they will check directly whether it is will work out or not for you, okay? So then what you will see, what you will do, so it will set to you, for example, this chain is very suits to you, okay? So it's very good to you to see. Then what you will do, so yeah, you can say to them directly, yeah, I got this one, so this is very good to me because I now only sign virtually, so I can buy directly, don't worry about that one. Like that you can select any type of the options, okay? So this is about, for example, chains, okay? So you want to go with the earrings, okay? So you have to check the earrings. Then what you will do, so just go to in front of camera again, like this. They will arrange one camera. Actually for some jewelry shop they did like that, like this only, okay? So in jewelry malls they did like this only. So in front of camera ask them to sit you. So then what you will do, just sit in front of the camera, okay? Just sit in front of the camera and you can try. So with the earrings, whether that you are not, just check once. So if it is suiting to you, what you will do, just try yourself, okay? If it is not good to me, check with the another set, and if it is say okay, set, and not only for singing. So whole sets you need. Okay, I want to check earring, so bangles. You have to check all things. Go to in and take that option. You can try each everything in front of that camera virtually. So this is a virtual trial room for the two. Now I'm going with virtual trial room for furniture. So now I will tell about the base. If you are going with the furniture, like for example, so what one time, uh, so today our topic is about a virtual trial room. So okay, then you can see here. So now I'm just going with them virtual trial for the furniture. Okay, so for example, you bought your furniture, you already bought the furniture, but when you're arranging that furniture in your home, okay, so that's not good to see. What you will do? Sometimes some the people won't give any chances to. Okay, you have to change that one like that. They won't give any chances. Then what you will do? Just go to online virtual trials for the furniture and then select what you need exactly. So for example purpose I will tell you for this, you can see some gaming activities. Okay, you can see Tom, like that we have some options are there now, like we have some gaming purpose, then and we have some like designing of each and everything in our okay, we have some gaming problem or like a properties also there. Okay, so if you are winning one game, so for example one Tom game is there in that, so when then when Tom is getting a coins, okay, so when Tom is getting coins, so if the Tom is getting 1500 coins, then what you will do, so you have to, so when Tom is getting much more coins, 1500 coins are there, and if the Tom want to fit the furniture, and it will give the options. Okay, so red color, green color, and maybe different type of furniture it will give, right? So how we are getting all those options there? Because we are arranging one what is that app based, and after that we are just checking the furniture, right? Like this here also you have to do the same thing. Okay, so you have to take a format and you have to select that particular area, and you can set whether that is suits to your home or not. Okay, so like that you can check each and everything virtually. Okay, the next thing is you have to move next application for wedding plans. Okay, now you can see a lot of people are getting problems with like a wedding areas also. So you can see they will show some areas like what is that, they will show some plans for you, but if they are doing in a practical way, that's not suit for the area. Okay, they are showing each and every plan, so this is the designing part for you, this is the designing part for you, like the, but for sometimes it's not good based on the area. For example, if you are designing very uh, like designing with the much more flowers in your area, but it's a hometown. Okay, so like it's a village area, but that is not so a village area, then what you will do, so you will get hurt. Okay, sometimes then what you will do, so you can go with the virtual plans. Okay, this is my area, in this area I have to plan my wedding plan, so please give a plans and just apply the plans in that particular area, and you can try. So just they will try that particular things, and they will provide a particular like a different type of virtual plans, and they will show to us. Okay, and the next one is we are moving with the virtual trial room for the paint. Okay, now you can see so you are taking one color for your home. Okay, inside or outside of the home, but you're taking a thick color, but that's not so in a in your home. Okay, then what you will do, just go with the process, picking changes in this. Okay, so for that purpose you have to do some little bit changes here. So for the changes, what you want to do, so take a different colors, and after that just apply the colors, in a different areas. Okay, first I'm taking the first thing is I'm taking here this area, for example downside of this. Here I want to check whether uh, that particular area or not. Okay, what you will do, just you can go there and you can check whether that is suits to you or not. Okay, at that area, what you will do, just go to there and you are selecting particular color here, and after that it's good means you can okay, but it's not good for me. Okay, how to change? Then what you will do, just to take another color, you can try. So now please check with my voice. Okay, so like that you can check each and everything, and then you can try a different things here. So you can see, not only for the paint purpose, you have to need different ground floor activities also you can do. About the applications, have a lot of applications. We can go with that applications also. Before going to that, so this is about the application. What is the importance of virtual trial room nowadays? Today we are going with the, in virtual trial room we have a different application. Now we are going with the application based on exactly virtual trial room for the dressing. Okay, so for this purpose you need a Cascade classifier, JSON file, and OpenCV package. How to go with the Flask. Okay, so these are our modules what we need for this purpose. So the first thing is I'm telling about the OpenCV. What is the OpenCV here? OpenCV is nothing but it's very important thing. It's a open source computer vision process. So it will available in online process, and we can use this OpenCV for Python language, Java language, C++ language. So it's useful in multiple languages. Okay, but basically we are using this OpenCV so in a Python language only, because this OpenCV is one of the open source package. Okay, it's available in online process if you need any requirement for the OpenCV. So that's why we are telling, we are not paying any money for this open source computer vision process OpenCV. So that's why I'm telling to you. So this is very important thing, and if you want to go with the image based applications, video based application, it's a very important thing and it's very useful to you. So that's why. And the main thing is, for example, this for OpenCV purpose I have to tell some applications for you. Okay, so what are the applications? So you can go with the applications of real-time applications, so vehicle detection process, object detection process, and if you want to go with any traffic analysis based, and for the virtual trial room, and for the business applications, for the security application, whatever it may be. Okay, for medical purpose, whatever it may be, if you are using images or videos, so to read, to display, and to apply some packages, what is that, some algorithms to the picture or video, it's very simple and it's very useful to all people. Okay, that's why you should use, you can use this one uh, for different applications. It's about the OpenCV, and this is a big tool for image processing technology. So that's why I'm giving to here. So it's a very important thing here. Um, Taking here OpenCV package here. One of the technique is there. Here you can see. So here I'm showing a for object detection, person detection. For person detection, I'm using. So for example purpose. So and you can see. So for what purpose I'm using here object landmark identifications, like the different applications are there. So we can use a lot of applications here for this purpose. Now you can check with my voice whether I'm audible or not properly. Okay. So this is one of the best module, and before going to that hands-on session, we have to know what is a JSON file, and what is a Flask, and why we are using Arcas. So I will tell you all those things for you. So now I'm going with the second second module is hair cascade. I have to tell something about. Before going to that, we're going to explain remaining packages. Now we can go with the remaining modules. What are the modules? So now I will tell you about the hair cascade classifier. So you can understand very much now. So for our project, you have to move packages modules. First, I will tell you about the hair cascade. So the hair cascade classifier is nothing but, for example, you have one picture or you have one video. This video you have to find out the feature. You have to find out only the persons. Okay, not about any mics, any mobiles, any laptops. Okay, you have to find out only the features of a persons, and you have to track the persons only. Then what you will do? So just give that features only to the input process when it is taken, and just give the only person features to the algorithm, and it will find out the features of the person, and it will say only the particular person by tracking of a rectangular box. Okay, so that purpose, what you are doing here, so you can take one input video and just the hair cascade XML file, then it will detect the features. Then what is the advantage instead of this one? Sorry. So what is the advantage of this cascade classifier compared with the another classifiers? So it's about a better advantage only when you're comparing with this. Okay. So what are the advantages here? So for example, if you're taking any type of the other classifiers to find out the features, so it will take too much of time. Okay. So actually find out the person or anything, so first it will take the edges of the person or edges of the each and every object. After that it will take the features, then it will find out the person. Okay, the first thing is how to take the edges. After edging, you have to take the features. Then how it will take? So actually to find out the person, I need to find out the face of the person, I have to take features of eyes, nose and mouth and whole face features. But when you're going with other feature extraction steps or any classifiers, so they will take remaining features also. Okay, so beside of you maybe some animal is there, it will take that features also. So all particular object features it will take, and finally it will filter the only face features, and it will take the person and it will track the person. But it will take too much of time, but in less time I need. That's why I'm using a hair cascade classifier. So when you are using this hair cascade classifier, So it will take only the features of the particular person. For example, beside of you also one monkey is there. Okay, so here you are there. Okay, so we have to find out only the person face features. Then it will take only the face features, because you already given the database to the input video by using Cascade classifier, and it will take only the face features. And if it is getting any other features beside of that person, it won't accept it. Face features. Okay, so like that you can take the Cascade classifier, and it will take only the better features what you need exactly for the face identification. Remaining features it will remove automatically. That's why we are using Cascade classifier for the feature identification. And the next one is, so we completed the module of Cascade and OpenCV, and now you can go with the JSON. So what is a JSON? So JavaScript based uh, opening format we are taking. So this is JSON is if you want to write any text. Okay. So if you want to do anything for this, okay, if you want to do the any notations, okay, so JavaScript JSON is nothing but JavaScript for opening of any notations. Okay, so it will take a joint of any type of the notations. Okay, so that's why we are taking here the JSON file. So it will very useful for text purpose, and if you want to find out any text or objects, anything, okay, if you want to save certain data into a particular format, you can use the JSON file. Okay. The fourth one is very important thing, flask. Main module is the flask only. Before going to this, I want to tell some app designing part. Okay, so what are the app designing parts? You can see. So to design the app, so now I'm telling virtual trial room. So how you are doing a virtual trial room? You already saw a lot of features in that they're designing some app and they're doing something and they're assigning some colors. Then how they are doing? So they're doing the a simple thing is, so they're designing the app for that. So here we are using a Python language for this virtual. So for this purpose we are using Python language. If you are going with the Python language, we have a two frameworks to design a web application. What is the first one is Django framework. Django. I can go with the, that's better. Okay, so the first one is Django. So for web application based for app designing purpose, I'm using uh, framework for app design or web design. Okay, so first one is, I'm just going with the framework as Django, and next one is I'm using Flask. Okay, so then what is the use of the design on Flask system means? So by using Python language, you can design any type, use any type of the application. So that's why we are using Django and as well as a Flask. Okay, but we are using our project is Flask. Okay, then what is the use of the Django? Why we are not? Yeah, so we can use Django and as well as the Flask, but these two are siblings. Okay, so you can use the Django or Flask. Have a reminder also, but we are doing most of the things Django and Flask because these are very popular things. They are very sibling. Like the same format is same for Django and the Flask. Flask we can do much more things. We are including a JavaScript format also. So for this also we are including, but comparing with this, so for commercial applications, if you are going with any type of the applications, very useful because the Flask is one of the best web frame application wise the framework. That's why we are using. And why you are using Flask instead of Django means, so Flask is used for the simple debugging process. You take a fast operation, and for the testing purpose it's very simple thing. If you want to go with any like a small application, it's very simple. When you are going with the instead of this Django, Flask is very important, and it will support for all type of applications, okay, for a web applications. If you are getting any problems, so if you are getting any web cookies, any, like you can say sometimes we are going with some security problems. So when you are using this Flask, so so it's a very important thing comparing with the alls. That's why we are using the Flask thing. And they started this Flask before 11 years. This one, and for this purpose, compare with the Django. So it's a very simple thing because it will give much more sync compare with the Django. So that's why we are using a Flask purpose. Flask we are using for the purpose of Python language. So then how you will design each and every thing. Before going to that, I have to show output code process. Okay, this is about the packages, what we are doing a packages and type of the packages we are using here. So each and everything we are giving here, don't worry about that one. So now you can see, so I did my process in Anaconda Navigator. In Anaconda Navigator, I'm just going with the prompt directly, but I have already designed the code in a Flask format. By using Python, ideally you can see what I need exactly the packages. I'm just importing the packages, and I'm just taking some uh, URL format also, because I have to take some HTML format because it's a web based page now. So web page to be designed, so that purpose I'm just going with the code here, and I'm taking the conditions. Okay, so you have to take first, you have to select one input image, you have to do some pre-process, and after that you have to do holding, how to adjust the picture, and like that you have to design each and everything what you need for your purpose. Okay, so this is about the all designing process for our coding process. Okay, so if you want to display the output, you can use IM show. So the main thing is, so shirt size, how much you need. So what is the code of this project is nothing but we are giving, we are just designing one web application based app by using the Flask, but we are designing one code we are designing one part, right? What is that? If you are going to that area, how to see all those areas. Okay, how much size you need, how much width you need for the shirt, for the pant actually. So this is for man purpose we designed. Okay, so for man purpose we are doing this one. So for that, how much size you need for the shirt, how many colors you need, and if you are going with a pant, so how much size you need, how much so fitting process how you need. So each and every we just designed here in our code. Okay, we just designed the process like this. So now I'm just going with the Anaconda Navigator here. I'm opening. Okay, so actually we already done the process in Python ideally language process. So just we imported all packages what I need exactly. So I just created one environment for this program, and that I have already installed all those packages what I need. Flask process, JSON based, and OpenCV based, and Cascade as well. No need to install Cascade. So we can go with the different formats over there what you need exactly. After installing those packages, you just run the program, or because you already designed the program, right? So it's opening. Before going to that, so go to your folder exactly what you where you are. So you have to take all folders in a particular folder. Okay, you can see this is my output, what is that, my code process .py file. So this is my Cascade front XML file, because when the person is detected, so then only it will give a brush to him. Okay, so that's why, and I have taken different type of formats to here, and this is my input video. So this is the requirement for my project. Okay, so just copy the path here exactly what you have, and come to Anaconda Navigator. It's open, go to environments. So we already created HZ. So in this only we have the all packages, we already installed the packages particular environment. So I'm just opening that environment here. So after opening that environment, go to terminal, and you want to check, so you can see it's showing users, C users, but my drive name is D. Then what you will do, just give D, and after that now you can type cd space that particular um, path, then click on enter. Now you can type Python space, but tap and when you're getting .py file. So flask try.py only the main program. Just click on enter, then it will show us one web page. Okay, just copy this web page, then go to online web page. Here you can paste on enter, it will open. So it's open one web page to here, only the online web page. Okay, so see here, this is an online web page. From this, what you want, so you have to take a shirts, you can select any type of the pants, and if you want to select the pants, you can select the pants, and you can go with the prediction analysis, then you can select any of the dress here. So I need a black shirt, I'm giving here the white pant, just click on try, then it will try. Now you can see the output results. Wait a bit, output results, then you can see here. Okay, so when the person is coming up the camera, so it's taking the dresses automatically. So it's giving the dress to the particular person. Okay, you can select any type of the, based on that it will fit the dress. About the process, you want to change the change the already closed, you want to do and try with the different. We selected that one, so here you have to check here also. So we have already selected that one. Anything, go to here, select any other type of. Like this, you can select any type of different. You're selecting a woman, so you have to take particular dresses. About the, we are doing a virtual trial room for all people. Hope you will understand each and everything how we are doing a virtual. So the main conclusion part of this project is you have to find out the virtual trial rooms, and you can check any type of particular thing. So the main thing is for our project we are going with the virtual trial room for the men, the dresses. Want to go with any type of the other, just select that particular area and apply those. About the last application in AI based, so it will save the time, because it's acting like a human being now, because we are giving our intelligence to the system. So hope you will understand each and everything.
Hi, this is your online store, exclusive for students who want to create. Our company has the solutions for you. We specialize in IEEE projects, tech trainings, lab equipments, and DIY projects. We can find new ideas for your projects. You can buy our products online. We deliver them worldwide and increase your value fast and easy, and get more benefits. Time is important. Contact us today for your projects. Fill out of our form. Now you can have a break, because you have already achieved your target. Visit our website www.pantechelearning.com. Hi.
So thank you very much to all people so for your patience. So if you need any requirement for the projects, for internships, anything, you can contact to these numbers. So we have a worldwide thing. So okay, if you need any requirement for the online process or offline process, you can contact to these numbers, and the people will help you. So thanks for attending this marathon, and for the next marathon just get ready for the next marathon, and you can get much more information regarding for the different applications. So the next marathon will start on 7th March. So hope you'll enjoy this session. So if you have any doubts also, so just contact through WhatsApp. We already given links in chat box. So and in description also we given all the already links. So just go with that links. Okay. Thank you. Once again, thank you to all people. So thank you very much. So don't worry about the attendance link. So they will provide the attendance link. I think they already provided attendance link. Okay, so please check with that.